Hello friends, I am Chintan Joshi from Nalanda Vidyalay, Virpar Morbi, and in the subject Business Studies, we are discussing chapter number 3 in class 12 Commerce, and our chapter number 3 is Business Environment. And for today's discussion, our topic is Dimensions of Business Environment. Total, we have 5 dimensions in this topic, and that we are going to discuss in detail. Let me list out these dimensions. Number 1, economic environment. Number 2, social environment. Number 3, technological environment. Number 4, political environment. And number 5, legal environment. Let me have detailed discussion of these 5 dimensions of business environment. First of all, number 1, economic environment. The economic environment consists of financial factors like interest rate, inflation rate, change in non-refundable income of people, stock market index, value of rupee, exchange rates, etc. I repeat, economic environment consists of all factors of financials. Any changes in economic factors directly affects the profitability and thus the management practices in a business enterprise. Guys, dimensions of business environment, into that first dimension, that is economic environment and how it affects to the business enterprise. As we have seen that economic environment consists of different financial factors. If these factors have any kind of changes in the economy, it is going to directly affect to the profitability of business enterprise. For example, increase in interest rate increases the cost of production and affects consumers' demand for products adversely and vice versa. If interest rate increases, what happens? The cost of production also affects, and thus it affects the consumer's demand for the products. So in this way, economic environment, a very important dimension of business environment, affects business enterprise. Point number 2, social environment. The social environment consists of factors like customs and traditions, values, social trends, society's expectations from business, etc. The customs and traditions provides various business opportunities, whereas values, social trends, and society's expectations make business responsible towards society. We are discussing business dimensions, and second important business dimension is social environment. How social environment affect business enterprise? As we have seen that social environment consists of factors like different social trends, social values, customers' priorities, fashion, trends, etc. If customers' priorities or trends or fashions changes, then what is going to happen? It is going to affect business enterprise, its manufacturing, its production, its trades and sales. Let me have example. At the time of Christmas, the business may plan to launch new types of cake or cookies, or at the time of Diwali, business enterprises may import gifts from any of the country and sell them in domestic market. Let me have basic example, easy example. At the time of Navratri, what happens? Social trend or customer fashion or impact towards the Navratri improves the demand in the traditional costumes for the Khelaya. Here the example for the Diwali. It may happen that at the time of Diwali, majority of the business organizations, relatives are going to give gift to their relevants. For that, they are they are buying these gifts from the shops, shopkeepers or organizations. And at that way, organizations or business enterprise are trying to import or manufacture the gifts for the customers. So social environment, social trends, traditions, values, etc. impact to the business environment, business enterprise in this way. After the social environment, point number 3 is technological environment. Technological environment includes forces relating to scientific improvements and innovations which provide number 1 new ways of producing goods and services, number 2 new methods and techniques of operating a business. Third important dimension of business environment is technological environment, wherein technological environment includes some forces related to scientific improvements and innovations. If technological changes are going to happen in the business environment, it is going to impact production of goods and services in a new way, as well as it is going to give new methods and technologies to operate the businesses. Let me have list of examples over here. Say for example, the shift from print books to e-books, booking of online train tickets instead of going to railway station to book tickets, automatic cars are replacing cars with gears. Latest example, learning in a classroom replacing the learning video sessions. Right? Due to the technological assistance, we can learn our study through video class. These all are the few examples which indicates the changes in the technological environment. Say for example, with the continue of video sessions, many of the organizations are failed to provide video lectures to their students. In this mode, they cannot survive along in the COVID-19. Whereas many of the organizations have already started to give education through video sessions. And due to this technological adoption, these organizations are going to be success in the trend of technological environment. So, technological environment always affect to the business enterprise. After this third point of technological environment, let me see point number 4, that is political environment. Political environment includes the political conditions of a country. It includes number 1 general stability of government, number 2 attitude of elected government representatives toward business, and number 3 peace in the country. The success of business activities depends on the political stability. The stability and positive attitude of government represent certainty to business activities and builds confidence among foreign investors. Let me have continue slide with the political environment. On the other hand, political disturbances or threats to law and order, red tapeism, and negative approach of government officials discourage investors and create business uncertainty. Let me have current example. Over here, we don't want to use any name as a political party, but let me have example of Mr. X, our Prime Minister. If he is ready to have sound political changes, he want to do something good into the country, if he is trying to invite more foreign investors to invest their foreign currency in the Indian economy, if he want to adopt Make in India project, this way good governance, political parties can give good result in the economy of the country. Three important things we have seen. Number one, general stability of government. If the government is constant, stable into the economy, no major changes are going to be happen because the same economy in the economy, political party will be stable. Second point is attitude of elected government representative towards the business. As we have discussed that Mr. X of a ruling party, a prime minister, wants to increase Indian economy in the competition of the world, global economy. He is trying to have Atmanirbhar concept with providing lots of funding to the new entrepreneurs to develop business class in the economy. Peace in the economy, there is a less terrorism. So foreign investors will ready to invest in the peace country, in the stable economy, in the stable government of the country. In this way, our country's economy can build up, can groom up. So political environment also affect to the business enterprise as an important dimension of business environment. Last one is legal environment. The legal environment includes all the legislation passed, administrative order issued, court judgments or decisions of government, commissions or agencies at all levels, may it be center, state or local. Every business enterprise has to meet all the legal compliances and follow all the rules and regulations framed by the government. Legal environment is again one more important dimension of the business environment. In legal environment, there are lots of laws and legislations, there are administrative orders, there are court judgments, there are decisions taken by the different level of government, either it is a central government, state government or local government. Due to these all kind of laws and legislations, business enterprise have to follow, have to meet these compliances to run their business into the economy. Say for example, if government is passing a administrative order that every business enterprise have to fill their income tax file within the given dates, what is going to happen? Business enterprises are going to provide tax to the government within the given time period, and that's why the tax will into the revenue of the country, and after all it is going to affect the economy of the country, and that's the business environment. So legal environment is also one of the important dimension of business environment. Guys, with this, in today's discussion, we have discussed total 5 dimensions of business environment. Let me recall it. Number 1, starting from the economic environment. Number 2, we have discussed about the social environment. Number 3, we have discussed about the technological environment. Fourth one, we have discussed of political environment. And at last, we have discussed about legal environment. In today's session, if you have any doubts, feel free to contact me. Thank you, friends.